So we've looked at creating groups. What about channels? From the navigation bar at the top of my stream, I'm going to click my content and move to channels. It's there that I can see the 5 channels that I currently have, and I can see which channels I'm following, which is 2 of them, and 3 of them I'm not following. If I wanted to create a new channel, I'd simply click this button here. Now what we've got to do is we've got to give the channel a name, and this is limited to 30 characters. Now there's some things to consider here. If you're going to create a company-wide channel, then it must be a unique name across the organization. And if you're going to create a group channel, then it must be a unique name within a group, and I think that's pretty obvious. So I'm actually going to call this channel marketing. Here is where we give the channel a description, and it's important that we give it a description because it'll make it easier for people to find and recognize this channel. So I'm saying marketing resources for the marketing team only. So basically this description is implying this is not a company-wide channel. If it was a company-wide channel, then of course everybody within this company would be able to view the videos in this particular channel. But I'm going to make it a group channel. And then I have to select the group that it belongs to. Now if I click in here and press S, then it will give me a list of all the groups I currently have created that begin with S. And if I was to hit T, those are the groups I currently have that begin with T. So I'm going to put this group, marketing, under Tailspin Toys. So this particular channel is within that group. So this particular channel will acquire the permissions and the security that goes with inherently that group. I'm then going to add an image, and I'll just choose this here and open, and so I've given this channel an image. And if I click create, then I've created a channel called marketing, which is inside of a group called Tailspin Toys. And there it is there. If I can see the title, I can see the group it belongs to, so this actually has the group name here. Notice this one doesn't have a group name, so this is not tied to a particular group. This one does, but these two are not part of, these channels are not part of a particular group. If I wanted to follow this channel, I'd click this option here, and I'm now following this channel, and so this now has 1 person following it, whereas this one has 0 people following it. If I was to click this button, follow, now this person's got 1 person following it. So you can see how many people are following a particular channel. If I was to click this option here, I had the option to edit a channel. And so I would return back to here, and I could edit the channel name and make it a bit more specific to that group. Oops. And save. If I went back to this option here, I also have the option to delete this particular channel, and if I click this option here, I can share this channel. And so all I've got to do is create a copy, take a copy of this link and embed it in an email, or I could choose this option here if I wanted to embed this in a website. So that's the options you've got for sharing a particular channel.